If you're looking to connect Folk CRM with Shopify, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to integrate these two powerful tools, plus provide a quick breakdown of Folk CRM to ensure you understand its full potential. By the end, you'll be able to automate processes, track your customer data more efficiently, and scale your business without unnecessary headaches. Stick around, because I'll also share an exclusive bonus to get started with Folk CRM for free. Now let's dive in. Folk CRM is a customer relationship management tool designed for small businesses and startups, offering a simple yet powerful way to manage contacts, track communications, and automate key processes. It's known for its ease of use and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to streamline customer interactions without the complexity of larger CRM platforms. When you connect Folk CRM with Shopify, you unlock the ability to sync your customer data, track sales, and have a clearer view of your business performance in real time. Imagine automatically adding customers from your Shopify store to Folk CRM, so you can nurture relationships and grow your business without manually transferring data. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Folk CRM account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Use the first link below for an exclusive offer, and you can access the platform for free to explore its features. Once logged in, go to your integration settings in Folk CRM. From there, you'll find the Shopify integration option. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to log in to your Shopify account. After logging in, you'll need to give Folk CRM permission to access your Shopify store's data, including customer information, order history, and more. This is a key part of the integration process, as it allows Folk CRM to pull important information from Shopify and sync it in real time. Once the integration is active, you'll start seeing customer data from Shopify appear in Folk CRM. This means you can view and track purchases, customer behavior, and interactions right inside the CRM. You can also use Folk CRM to segment customers based on specific actions they've taken on your Shopify store, allowing you to send targeted marketing campaigns and follow-ups. Folk CRM also allows you to create automation workflows. For example, you can set up automated emails to send to customers who abandon their carts or trigger personalized follow-ups after a purchase is made. This kind of automation helps save time while improving customer engagement. Another feature worth mentioning is Folk CRM's simplicity in managing contacts. You can easily add notes, tag customers, and even set reminders to follow up with them. All of this helps you stay on top of your customer relationships without the need for complex spreadsheets or manual tracking. For those new to CRM systems, Folk CRM is a great option to start with, as it's intuitive and doesn't overwhelm you with too many features. It's designed to scale with your business, making it a perfect fit for both beginners and experienced marketers. Now that you've got your Folk CRM connected to Shopify, it's time to put the power of automation and customer tracking to work. You'll be able to streamline your operations, improve customer satisfaction, and boost sales, all without spending hours managing data manually. As promised, don't forget that you can access Folk CRM for free through the link in the description below. This exclusive offer will give you extended access to all the features, so you can fully explore what Folk CRM can do for your Shopify store without any risk or commitment. By integrating Folk CRM with Shopify, you're taking a huge step towards better managing your customers and scaling your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link for your extended free trial and get started today.